Stop everything! Did you know rhinos can outrun you? Yeah, you heard that right. Picture this, a rhino charging at you faster than you can say run. You might think these massive creatures are slow, but African rhinos can hit top speeds of up to 34 miles per hour. That's as fast as a racehorse. Surprised? Well, here's why. Rhinos have powerful legs and a streamlined body that help them accelerate quickly, making them one of the fastest land mammals despite their size. So next time you see a rhino, remember, you're looking at nature's own speed demon. And here's a fun fact, their speed isn't just for show. It's crucial for escaping predators and navigating their wild open habitats. So next time you're on a safari, keep your eyes peeled. You might just catch a glimpse of this incredible animal in action. Doesn't that make you appreciate these majestic creatures even more?